going on, everybody? Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace your wiper blades on a BMW E90. So let's get right into it. For your E90 there are two different size wiper blades. The 24-inch for the driver's side and a 19-inch for the passenger side. First you need to lift the arm up and get this plastic piece off, which is as easy as a little tab right here that pops right on off. Next, take your wiper blade, turn this, and pull it right off. Let's go ahead and get this new wiper blade off. Since this blade is out of the box ready to go, we'll go ahead and slide it right on, turn it. This is arguably the hardest part of this whole installation. This little plastic cover here slides right on and snaps. Let's do the other one. One extra step, which is not necessary but does help when using your wipers, is getting something like Rain-X here to repel the water. It seems to make the wiper blade's life last longer. That's all for today. Leave a like if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more BMW related content. See you all next time.